Hello everyone. So I have here my Spectre 13-V104TU model. I bought this around 2018 and it is almost 3 years akin. Because of the pandemic, mostly nakasaksak lang siya sa saksakan and hindi ko na tatanggal. So I'm not sure if that is the cause na mag-bloat yung kanyang battery. So as you can see here, pag tiningnan niyo yung medyo ano siya, ayan, naka-bloat yung dito niya, saka dito. Ayan. So, lumobo yung battery niya. Maybe because of the cycle or naiwan ko siya naka-charge and so on. I also use different power brick. Since Type C kasi siya, you can charge this one using different Type C. So, I also tried that. Maybe it also added sa factor kung bakit siya nag-bloat. Ayan. So, kita nyo naman siya, hindi na siya straight. So in this video, I will be replacing my battery. Ang kanyang battery model is S0 SO04. So I searched online for this one. Meron sa Alibaba and we also have fortunately meron sa Shopee. Ayan. So I ordered sa Shopee. Though mas mura yung sa Alibaba. However, you need to pay first before siya dumating. So ito nakuha ko COD. And halos a week dumating siya. So ito yung battery. Ito yung so mukhang okay naman siya since may logo din ni HB yung battery. Yan. So I watched many videos para sure ako na ito yung model ng aking battery sa Spectre. Since I don't want to open it, ginagamit ko pa. And baka pag binuksan ko, hindi ko na mabalik yung battery, madamage siya. So kaya ngayon ko pa lang siya palitan. So napansin ko yung bloat around March. So today is April 19 and I will be replacing yung ating battery. So stay tuned lang kayo for the next steps. Let's start replacing the battery. So first, we need to make it, baliktarin natin siya. And then we need to remove the rubber covers here. Nandito kasi yung screw. Dito sa rubber dito, at sa rubber dito. So, uh, since 3 years na siya, medyo makunat na yung rubber. May crack na actually yung rubber. So, dahan-dahan lang natin siyang i-remove. Guys, we also have a screw in this area also. Tinanggal ko na rin yung rubber. And we also have screw pala dito. So, alis na natin siya. Ayan. So, this will make the bottom of the laptop pop up. So, usog lang natin yung tayo natin siya i-pop up. Fast forward guys, I already unclip all the locks. So, ready na natin siya alisin. And ayan siya guys. I hope you can see, no? Inaan natin yung ilaw. Ayan. So, yan yung likod ng laptop natin. So, this is how it looks like sa ano niya. So, looks good naman. Siyempre, sa fan area, you have certain dust, which we will be cleaning later na lang. So, ito yung likod niya, guys. Ayan. So, kung napapansin niyo, bloated nga siya. Oh. Ayan. Bloated na. Ayan. So, we have the pin here. And so, we need to be careful in this part. Ayan. So, we have the fans here. There's a little dust also. So, we need to be careful sa part na to. We should remove the wires here, speaker wire, and then unclip yung ating battery, ang tawag ito? Ribbon. Ayan. So, to remove this one, avoid using metal. So, kukuha ako ng other material to lift this one. So, I already got plastic pin to remove the cable. Ayan. So, this is a 45 watt laptop. 45 watt siya. And I use 35 watt to charge it pag I'm on the go. And then, I also use 65 watt recently, a power brick. So, I'm not sure if that causes this one. So, it's like very, white. And then, wire. So, once released, we can now remove the screw for the battery. The screw is also in Phillips. So, this is good thing. So, we have many screw here. So, alisin natin isa-isa. So, be careful lang not to puncture the battery. Since bloated na siya, you can damage it. Actually, we can already remove the pin here. So, to remove, you just need to lift this plastic here. And then, remove na natin. Then, release the clip. Then, we need to pull this one later. So, alisin muna natin lahat ng screw that connects our battery to the board. I'm already done cleaning it. And next, I will be putting up the new battery. So we just need to put the releasing tape again here. So balik na natin siya. And then, so kailangan natin siya kasi pag yan natin. Then balik na natin yung bagong battery. So careful lang. Double check nyo kung ano yung mga location. Yan. So once it is already fit in, return the wire. Return the wire. So before we return, we need to put back the some of the screw first, yung mga small screw. So guys, once all the screws are back, we can put the speaker wire back to its place. Kaya namin siya i-clip ulit dito. Yan. And then sa other side din. Then once it is done, so we can clip back our ribbon. So insert lang natin siya dito. Yan. Then once inserted, we just snap the clip. So para maipit na siya. Then we're done. So yan siya guys. We put back the cover already. So babalik natin yung cover. And then we will be returning the rubber strip. So now we can put back the other screw. And also return the rubber later. So guys, done na ilagay yung rubber strip. Ayan, nalagay na ulit natin siya. So let's turn it on and see. Okay. So bumalik na yung smoothness. So yan guys. So that's all.